don't touch.
You guys want me to tell you what Santa brought you guys?
Yeah.
All right. The only reason why I know is because of the manual.
Does it have a picture?
Let's see if it has a picture. Not that I know of.
Okay, well, what does the manual say?
The manual says it's an inflatable castle. You could jump in it. It's a huge castle. Hey everybody, so yeah, I was just talking to my kids about what Santa brought them, but I wanted to give like a behind the scenes of what it took to assemble this bounce house. And as you're seeing it right now, it literally took 20 something seconds for it to be fully assembled, the bounce house. And so if you're in the market for one, check it out. In the next segment, I'm gonna give a little bit of a review on it, and if you're in the market for one, definitely check it out. Hey, Merry Christmas. We literally just put this thing together, so I wanted to, record it while it was fresh. As you can see, my kids are having a blast. It's Christmas morning. And this inflatable castle bounce house came in this bag. It fit in this bag along with some accessories, which will be for most likely the bounce house / pool, so to speak, splash pad. And it came with some stakes. I didn't stake it in yet, just because I just wanted to get it up and going. But you have some stakes that will get staked into here, and also you can stake the pump, which leads me, and it comes with a manual. Pretty straightforward. A manual. Definitely read it. Get to use it or get to read it. It came also with some like stitching in case if you do get like some tears, and some patches, which is really cool. And over here's the pump. Real easy to set up. You connect this, you tie it up with a strap, you turn it on, real quiet, and definitely recommend it. I can see many hours of playtime here, and I'm so glad I got it, because if you got a backyard, what I like about it, you could disassemble it. I assemble it like in less than 10 minutes, and I'm sure the disassembly is a little bit more, some work at it, but you just fold it up, put it away, man. So definitely recommend it. Merry Christmas, everybody. All right, so the kids had a blast on Christmas morning. They were out there for at least a few hours. We had breakfast outside. The family called us. We FaceTimed, and they couldn't believe that there was this bounce house in our backyard. And I did too. I was like, holy smoke. But what I liked about it, my wife mentioned that it's the right size for 4-year-olds and toddlers. My little girl's 2, and they say, she's 2.5, so I felt like, I felt confident she could play in it. And but it's not that big like those big bounce houses you see at parties. This one's just right. And so when it came to disassembling it, I unplugged the pump. I let it kind of air out for 5 minutes, and then I started to fold it in half. I even had my 4-year-old help me, and then I folded it a second time in half. And by that time, all I had to do was roll it up, wipe down the moisture with a towel, and then bag it up. And it was that easy, straight up. And that made me feel a lot more confident with my purchase. And so I see a lot of good long summer afternoons in this bad boy, assembling the hose connection to make it into a splash pad. And so definitely recommend it. Take it easy, everybody.